people of the world, it's your girl Fiona here. So we all know that mathematics is the pillar of organized life for the present day. Without numbers and mathematical evidence, we cannot resolve any issues in our daily lives. Although the importance of mathematics can never be denied, a general fear of dealing with math exists in students across the world. The most common question students ask their teacher is, when will I ever need to use math? The answer is, every single day. Even when you don't think you're using math skills, you're likely in some way, shape, or form using math. From measuring ingredients to managing food costs, there is certainly a lot of math in a chef's future. The goal of so many chefs, including me, is to run their own restaurants. But we can't do that successfully by merely being able to cook a delicious dish. So in this video, we're gonna find out how important math is in the kitchen. Let's go!
What is fraction in cooking? A fraction in cooking refers to the representation of quantities of ingredients in a recipe using fraction instead of decimal or whole numbers. Fractions are used to indicate the proportion of an ingredient relative to the other ingredients in the recipe, and they can help to ensure the recipe is accurate and consistent. For example, a recipe might call 1 cup of sugar or 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Using fraction in cooking can also help with scaling recipes. What is fraction in cooking? A fraction in cooking refers
Hello guys! For today's video, our topic is about conversion. So, what is conversion? Conversion. Factor is a number used to change one set of units to another by multiplying or dividing. Example of conversion. 1 tablespoon or 3 teaspoons. It's example of conversion. The quantity will be changed but the measurement will be the same. If you use tablespoon, the quantity is 1, but if you use teaspoon, the quantity is 3. That's an example of conversion. So guys, paano nga naman natin magagamit ang conversion sa pagluluto? So, ganito lang yun. The thing about conversion in cooking is that we can use it by measuring the ingredients. So, magagamit natin ang conversion to measure our ingredients. So,
Hi guys, it's me Alberto, and now I'm going to tell you the relevance of geometry in our strength. Geometry with daily activities is useful for students learning and makes the process of the acquisition of new concepts easier and more durable in time as they create unique and special experiences. Geometry is used in the presentation of food and baking. If food is creating a fancy layer cake, the use of rectangles, square, and circles may be necessary. When arranging food onto a plate, cooks should use different shapes to make foods aesthetically pleasing.
Having a healthy diet is not all about intense exercising and taking yourself away from the foods that is sweet and oily. Healthy diet must be properly calculated in order to achieve your goals in losing weight or gaining weight. Then, what is the connection of it to mathematics? How do we know if we need to diet? Of course, we must know what's our BMI. BMI has a formula which is weight divided by height. So as you can see, it has formula, so it's related to mathematics. Furthermore, you might notice that your BMI is overweight. So you would start dieting in order to lose weight. To start, you have to know first what is the right calorie intake you need, depending on your weight, height, and age. Take note that the healthy weight loss is losing only 1 pound per week. In order to know your accurate calorie intake, you have to take your BMR first, then multiply it to your activity rate. As a result, you will get your TBEE or total daily energy expenditure with that. 1 pound is equal to 3,500 calories. So in order to lose 1 pound per week, 3,500 calories divided by 7 days is equal to 500. So you have to subtract 500 from your TDEE. And that's how will you know your accurate calorie intake. As you can see, you have to calculate and solve all those things in order to have a proper. Having a healthy diet is not all about intense exercising and taking yourself away from the foods that is sweet and oily.
What are product pricing strategy? A pricing strategy is a model or method used to establish the best price for a product or service. It helps you choose prices to maximize profits and shareholder value, while considering consumers and market demand. If only pricing was as simple as its definition, there's a lot that goes into that. Pricing is important since it defines the value that your product are worth for you to make and for your customer to use. It is a tangible price point to let customers know whether it is worth their time and investments.
What is new product pricing? Keeping the price of a new product relatively low in the initial stages help it penetrate the market easily and also get accepted among target audience. Keeping the price a little low not only reduces the competition from other brands but also increases the sales and makes the product popular in the market. Example, Coca-Cola's price strategy for price acceptance. This means that prices are set at the same level as competitor soda companies. They do this.
What are product pricing strategy? A pricing strategy is a model or method used to establish the best price.
Hi guys, my name is Rodin Nabahin. For today's video, ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay kung paano nga ba mag-budget ng bibilin sa isang market o isang shopping mall. Laging tandaan na kapag ikaw ay nagbabudget, dapat kukunin o bibilin mo lang sa market ay ang mga importanteng gagamitin sa pagluluto o gagamitin sa iyong lulutuin. Example, I will cook adobo and I buy at market, so dapat ang aking mga bibilin para makapagtipid ay ang mga kailangan lang sa adobo. Yung mga ingredients na sapat dito at dapat kung may limit yung budget mo, dapat ito ay sundin. Ayun guys.
How to calculate the original price of an item after a discount. Formula: NP is for new price of discounted price. R, discounted price. X is equal original price. Here is some given. Current batch, 1 box of canned food. You paid for 100, receiving a 20% discount. What was the original price of 1 box canned food that no sales tax was added? Formula: NP is equal open parenthesis 1 minus R close parenthesis X. NP negative R X is equal Solution: 400 is equal open parenthesis 1 negative 0.20 close parenthesis is equal 0.80. Kinuha yung 0.20 sa 20%. So, the original price of 1 box of canned food is 500 pesos without the discounted price.